be help if him not get the real help where him need. Which is I'm not being
Well,
a hypocrite, me I tell
me
you
know
as
him
it is.
condition. Me know him condition, but he have a brother way mental as well. I don't like to me I come over here come explain to nobody, but me here say the over here upon me name, so me come out here to find out what happened. You understand me? Don't come over here for question or nothing. But
No, that's why.
you know the condition we came out, you know. I would know exactly how to deal with it. We are gonna get it deal with. Alright? So no not
Yeah,
have to
cause
worry.
him no lose touch of reality.
Person
Me
have to
know say I
understand
just
that.
one simple thing when need medication.
Yes, he's
Him
going to get
need
medication
medication.
and he's not the Rasta Kemar, Kemar Ballad. And
Can I say something? Pretty. No one wasn't cursing. You are talking about it. That's
me
whatever he
talk, I'm
said to you. That's
talking
what he
to
was
you.
saying.
So the next question I'm asking, why my picture is up?
If you want a picture down, it can be done, no problem.
Please, I am asking, you can
But
remove my picture with all due respect.
respectfully, if you can get the youth some professional help, that would be good. Yeah, man, let me take down your picture even right now.
I
But me
will.
glad you understand what me I say. Get the youth professional help, and that is the help we need. You
I will.
understand?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So hold on. So is it a problem for me if I put up this?
If you can put up that, but you don't have to put up my
All
picture.
right, no problem. Me still
Because you are
ask you,
talking
even though
about
you're not the
Kemar
person
here.
for me ask. But me respect say you come over and you explain yourself. And me tell you when me been here, they start talk about. I don't like say me change my mouth. And that me I talk. Me I say, listen, no matter how you try help the youth, it might go always dirty, it might go always no change him ways. He need the professional help. If you
Yeah,
beat
man,
him
understand
10,000
that.
times, listen to me. If you beat him 10,000 times, him
Mm-hmm.
still I go end up dirty.
Me
He
know
still
that.
not go beat
But
again.
me still
If
have
you
to
buy
tell
him
him
how much
to
clothes,
behave.
him not keep it clean.
In a matter, me still have to tell him say, get a shower. Because at the end of the
Listen, but me I
day,
tell you say
you have to
it's
go around.
pointless.
Listen to
It's
me now. You
effortless. It
talk, make
is
me get a time to talk.
effortless.
You know, listen, but alright.
You
Continue.
understand? It is pointless, pretty. Get him the medical assistance. It bigger than you and it bigger than everybody else. He need doctor. That's just the truth. I need the medication for him condition. That's just
I
the truth.
said I know what exactly should happen to him. Me know what to do. You don't have to tell me, me know. As me tell you before, me dey have a brother in the same condition here. So me know how to do with it. You don't have to tell me. I'm in a
I
too
hope
old to take
I hope
advice.
going forward still you not give up on the youth in a pretty. If
Me
you help
not
the youth,
behave and disrespect me, me know say I know him that I do it of him own. You understand? And just
yeah.
because him have that sickness there, but him a go good man, just believe.
Yeah, man. Just do the right thing, help the youth for real, cause I only if me I be truthful, cause I one thing with me. Me tell you as it is, like me or hate me. Me see this time and time again when people see these people and say them I help them. And when time the hype and the attention gone left them not up, them not interested again, then stop help them. Nobody no hear about that person and get help no more or nobody business about the person there no more. So me just ensure say this is not the case again, cause guess what? At the end of the day, if we help people sincerely and from with heart. You understand? Out of love. Me tell you as it is, I'm not a hypocrite. So that's why I say, help youth, you do a good job. Me say that already. Me say you're doing a very good job. Me appreciate say yo, you try your very best to try clean him up, which all the way we attack, we never did I go do it. No for we attack, we never did I go do that for him.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
So me appreciate that.
Can I say something to Pretty?
Yeah.
No matter what you do in a life, whether you do good or bad, people are gonna talk. Just no watch no face, girl.
But no man,
No
but just
matter
allow
what
the
you
people
do,
talk. But
good
just
or
do me I feel feel.
cause me did in a this the one same not really with that the type of person,
Oh.
but I help somebody and trust me the outcome of it never did pretty. And it
Not
yeah,
this
make me
time.
feel aware, make me no want help nobody no more. But no matter at the end of the day I gonna get the good part
All
of
me
it. I gonna
want,
get
me
all of
just
the
no want
blessing. If you have
shit. Me
kids, the
just no
kids them
want,
are gonna get
listen
all of the
up.
blessing. No
Me
matter where you
just
do good or bad, people are gonna have something to say.
hold on
But
now. Me
don't
just
listen,
all
don't
what
watch no
happen.
face. Do what you have to do.
Hold on now,
This is going over.
all what happen, we just want to know say